Hello, my name is Gregory. And this is my solution to Project One. I'm going to start off by showing the results first, and then I'll go through the quickly over the code. So here is a test function that tests the results, and we'll run it. Okay, and we'll run it one more time. Okay, so close this out. So we implemented an interface here with a create and destroy function, which kind of I would think self-explanatory. You create a process, a destroy process, or processes, and we go to the process control block entries. Um, Here we create a new entry. It's going to be an attribute for a parent and an array list of children. And so when you there's with the constructor, you create a new entry, you pass a parent, and we set that to the parent of the entry, and then we initiate a new array list for children. And going over to the PCBS entry two, do something similar, but this isn't the first entry utilizes the linked list for the children. The second entry just utilizes integer variables for child, older sibling, younger sibling. So when we initialize, I create a new entry. We set the parent to the parent, and then the child, older sibling, and younger sibling to -1. And so we'll go to the process control block where we implement the PCBS interface, and we have an array, a PCBS array. And so here the constructor we pass an int, and then with that int we create a new PCBS entry array of n size, and the first entry 0 is a new PCBS entry, and with the parent is -1. And then we have a create function here where if the PCBS the integer that's provided is equal to null, then there's no such parent. And what we do is then we'll, if it is not null, we'll find an empty spot for a child process, and then we add that entry to our the child's linked list. And then we go to our destroy function, which will destroy all of the children and of that entry. And then we go to the second process control block. And basically here we initiate a PCBS array as well. And similar to the first process control block. And here we do the constructor is pretty similar as well. We create a new process control block array, and then we implement 0, which has no parent. And then with the create function, once again, it's pretty similar. If it's equal to null, then no parent exists. If not, then we go ahead and find an empty spot for the child process and create that as part of for the children. And then we go to the destroy function once again, which is pretty similar. Here we go. Then we destroy all of the children for the process P, and also have some toString methods here that are just utilized for printing out the information for each process. But that's kind of a quick overview of my process one. Thank you.